Hello, dream chasers. Today, we're delving into the treasure trove of wisdom shared by some of the most successful individuals in history. Each nugget of advice is a beacon guiding us on the path to success. So, let's glean insights from the masters and ignite our journey to greatness. First, envision success with clarity. Picture your goals vividly. Just as Walt Disney once said, if you can dream it, you can do it. Your imagination is the blueprint for your achievement. Next, embrace failure as a stepping stone. Michael Jordan reminds us, I failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Failures are lessons guiding us towards success. Third, cultivate a relentless work ethic. As Elon Musk puts it, work like hell. You just have to put in 18 or 100 hours week every week. If others put in 40 hours work weeks and you're putting in 100, you will achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve. Value the journey. Oprah Winfrey wisely stated, the biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Success is not just about the destination, but the experiences along the way. Fifth, embrace continuous learning. Albert Einstein emphasized intellectual growth should commence at birth and cease only at death. Learning fuels innovation and keeps the flame of success burning bright. 6. Prioritize well-being. Richard Branson advocates you don't have to sacrifice your health to be successful. Success is holistic, and a healthy mind and body are crucial components. Seventh, build meaningful connections. Sheryl Sandberg advises success is not about climbing up the ladder, but about lifting others up with you. Collaborative success creates lasting impact. 8. Embrace change. Steve Jobs urged innovation distinguish between a leader and a follower. Success thrives in environments where change is embraced, not feared. Penultimately, stay persistent. Winston Churchill's words echo, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Perseverance ensures that setbacks are just pit stops on the road to success. Lastly, never stop dreaming. As Dr. Seuss whimsically reminds us, you have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. Dreams fuel the engine of success. If you found this insight inspiring, hit the like button, share your favorite quote in the comment, and subscribe for more wisdom-infused journeys. Until our next voyage into the minds of successful, keep chasing those dreams. This is Financial Whiteboard World.